Hello and welcome to another video from Easy Geek TV. In this video, we'll briefly touch on the topic of printers, on how to use them on a Linux Mint and in Linux in general. Now, unlike in Windows where you have to first download the drivers and then install them and then wait for the printer to become available in the system, when it comes to Linux, things are more simplified thanks to a system known as CUPS. You can have a look at the article at Wikipedia and the history related to that. This is an open source system, by the way. And as you can see here, this is the cups.org official website. But thanks to this system, it is much more easy and simpler when it comes to Linux and Unix-like systems to work with printers. This video will demonstrate just that. It will demonstrate on how easy it is to just set up any printer you wish to on Linux. So I'm going to physically connect the printer now. Right, with that done, normally you would get a notification up here showing the printer and model number. But if it doesn't, for whatever reason, and I'm trying to simulate this because it did show on me on the first time I connected it, I'm just trying to simulate if there's a problem with it. All you have to do is go to the start menu and type printers. And there you have it. Click on it or press enter. And as you can see, there's no printer in. I'm going to click on the plus add sign. And as you can see, I've got an old printer here. It's an Epson stylus. This is just for demonstration purposes, actually, because my experience has shown me that the usage and the functionality doesn't change with newer printers at all, even if they are LAN-based or Ethernet-based, right? So I'm going to go forward and add this printer here again. There you go. I'm not going to print a page for this because the print quality is not even good. Normally I would use a black and white Brother printer, but in this case I'm not going to use print. To show that this is indeed available for print, I'm going to go over to example.com, and I'm going to press Ctrl P for print. And as you can see, the printer is indeed available for printing up here, right? But as I can say, as I said a bit earlier, is that I'm not going to print this because the print quality is not good anyway. So just to prove you that this is exactly how simple it is, like it couldn't get any simpler really. So, and actually what I'll do something else. With Linux Mint and probably most Linux distros, the operating system comes with the basic tools, and it's the case with Linux Mint Mate as well. All you have to do is to research for we're going to demonstrate this by scanning a document. And to do that, we just type scan, and it will see the available program, Document Scanner. It's searching for printers or for scanners. It shouldn't take too long. There you go. It did find the Epson printer. What I'll do, I'll just click scan. And there you have it. It's scanning the document. It is very simple, right? And that's it. A quick edit here. I just want to show how you can save this as well. It might be very handy for some people. You have to click on the window. Backspace to delete the... I'm just going to name this document like and subscribe. Which, by the way, please do so if this is helpful to you in any way. And just one thing you have to know is that the documents scanned via this manner are not... like you cannot copy text from them. You have to run them through an OCR, optical character recognition. I hope this video was somehow helpful to you. If so, please do what the document suggested, like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching this video. So I'm trying to keep this video short, so thanks for following, and see you in the next videos. Hopefully you'll be tuned to that. Bye for now.